वास्तुशास्त्र एक पौराणिक भारतीय विज्ञान है जो आपको आपके घर और ऑफिस की वास्तुकला और डिजाइन की समझ देता है. In short, Vastushastra is a science that was developed long back for the benefit and the well-being of mankind so that we understand the surroundings and our building really well. When I talk about Vastushastra, what is the first thing that comes to the mind? Yes, Vastu Purush. With the arrival of Vastu Purush started Vastu Shastra. A small anecdote about Vastu Purush is as follows. बहुत समय पुरानी बात है जब देवता और असुर आपस में मल्लयुद्ध कर रहे थे. मल्लयुद्ध करते करते देवता और असुर के पसीनों की बूंदों से एक महाभूत उत्पन्न हुआ. देवता और असुर उस महाभूत को लेकर के ब्रह्मा जी के पास गए और युद्ध थम गया. वो महाभूत बहुत भूखा था, वो पूरी सृष्टि को खा जाना चाहता था. ऐसा देखकर ब्रह्मा जी ने 32 देवता, 12 असुर और खुद की मदद से उस महाभूत को धरती पर औंधे मुंह गिरा दिया. देवता और असुर उस महाभूत के शरीर के अलग अलग अंग पर जाकर बैठ गए. ब्रह्मा जी ने उसकी नाभि पर अपना स्थान ग्रहण किया और ऐसा करते हुए उसे एक संज्ञा दी वास्तु पुरुष की और ये ऐलान किया कि इस धरती पर जब भी कोई कार्य करने योग्य और रहने योग्य बिल्डिंग बनाई जाएगी, उस टाइम पर जो भी व्यक्ति वास्तु पुरुष का ध्यान और अर्चना करेगा, उस पर देवता प्रसन्न होकर वरदान देंगे. ऐसा कहते हुए हुआ वास्तु पुरुष का निर्माण. Your home, your office or your building is divided into 16 different zones. I am sure you all are aware of 8 zones or maybe 4 like your north, east, south and west. These zones are then further divided into a sub-zone like a northeast or a southwest or a southeast or a northwest. These other subdivided zones are then bifurcated and we get a degree of 11.2 wherein you can get a zone as north-northeast or a south-southwest or a south-southeast or a northwest-north. These 16 zones have 32 entrances. Each zone has 2 entrances. An entrance plays an important role in bringing prosperity and growth in your life. Entrance is said to be the first connection between the building and the universal consciousness. So we got to choose our entrance wisely. Starting from the north, if we go up till the east, you have 8 entrances. These entrances are named as N1, N2, N3, N4 and they go up till N8. The same follows from east to south, it goes from E1 and it goes up till E8. The same is further taken from south to west as S1, S2, S3 and it goes up till S8. And the same follows when we go from west to north like W1, W2, W3 and it goes up to W8. These are your 32 entrances and out of these only 9 entrances are known to be profitable. So we have to be very careful when we choose the correct entrance for our home. शायद आपके बड़े बूढ़ों ने कभी आपको बोला हो कि आपके घर में 45 देवी देवता का वास है. इन्हीं 16 जोन्स में 45 देवी देवता का वास है. जैसे कि अगर हम नॉर्थ की बात करें तो नॉर्थ में है कुबेर, ईस्ट में है इंद्र या सूर्य, साउथ में है यम और वेस्ट में है शनि. वास्तुशास्त्र helps in planning and designing your homes in the best possible and the suitable way. For example, you could make your kitchen in the southeast, a washroom in the south-southwest, your master bedroom in the southwest, a children's room in the northeast, and so on and so forth. These 16 zones have a pivotal role in planning and executing different places that will be used by you while you are there at your home. How do you choose colors on your walls or maybe on the wallpaper or on the furniture? Just like what you like, a color like a green or a black or a pink or a red. Yeah? Alright, so Vastu Shastra gives us an insight into the colors that we have to choose or we better choose for our home with respect to these 16 zones. For example, if we talk about the north zone, colors like blue, white, black, or a silver are much suited for this zone. If we talk about a zone like a south, then colors like red, pink, purple, these orange colors are the ones that should be highlighted in your southern zone. Colors like green or maybe a beige is best suited for your east, and your smoky colors like greys can go in your west. These colors help you balance the imbalances or any defect in the 16 zones that are present in your home. A very simple remedy, but a very suitable one.